Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is poha, which is made in different ways in different states. But you must try my recipe, you are going to love it, which is very quick and very easy to make. Take 1 cup of flattened rice, which is also called poha. Just wash it once and drain off the water. Then add into it half teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. Mix it gently and then keep this aside only for 5 minutes. Now in a vessel add 2 tablespoon oil. Let's oil heats up nicely. Keep the gas flame high and add 1 teaspoon mustard seed, 1 teaspoon cumin, few curry leaves, 3 to 4 green chilies or you could add as per your taste and saute it for few seconds. Then turn the flame on a medium heat and add 1 medium sized chopped onion and saute it only for few minutes so that the raw smells of it will goes away. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and add salt as per taste. Give a little stir to it. Then add flattened rice which we keep aside and mix it very gently. Then cover it and give steam to it for 1 minute on low to medium flame. After 1 minute, add roasted peanuts on it. You could also crush it and add. Squeeze half lemon to it. Add a lot of coriander leaves and here it is done and ready. Serve this with nylon safe. This recipe can be prepared within few minutes. It is nutritious snack which can be eaten as a breakfast or brunch. Do try this recipe and comment below. Thank you for watching.